Hi, today we're going to be making this gently cleansing green smoothie. It's both hydrating and anti-inflammatory. It's a great way to get in greens first thing in the morning. Starting off, we're going to add either fresh or frozen mango, about half a cup. You can add apple, pineapple, or pear in there instead. 1 banana, and then packing in 2 cups of spinach. You can choose to add 1 cup instead. And then you can add 2 stalks of celery, squeezing about a quarter lemon. Celery is packed with vitamin A, K, and C. It has a ton of minerals like potassium and folate and contains antioxidants. Adding about a cup to half a cup of water, and then adding chia seeds as well. I added here about a tablespoon. You can add half a tablespoon. Chia seeds are packed with fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. And then you can enjoy it. Spinach is one of the most alkaline producing foods. It has a high content of iron, which increases vitality and restores energy. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do make this drink, let me know how it goes. I look forward to seeing you very soon.